What's Daddy doing?
That on my face, Dad.
What's he doing? Just checking you out. She's really alert, too. Go ahead and burp for him. Give him a good one. You gotta be tired because my arm's worn out. You gonna burp for me? Taylor. Go up on my shoulder.